Hi guys, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a great hummus recipe. It's absolutely delicious, it takes no time at all, and I think you're going to like it. Stick around. So I've got my processor plugged in, and I'm going to start off by putting in my basic ingredients. In other words, my lentils to start with. I'm then going to put in my beans. I'm also going to add now my garlic. Now I've got about 7 or 8 cloves in here. You don't need that many. I like it really garlicky, so I'm putting a lot in. There it goes. Now the next thing you're going to need is some of this delicious tahini. So I'm going to put some of that in right now. You need about 2 tablespoons of this. Kind of got the consistency of peanut butter, but it's made of sesame, so it has a slightly different flavor, which of course adds to the flavor of the hummus. Right. I'm also going to put in my olive oil. About 3 tablespoons, and also I'm going to put in my sesame seed oil. Now this is not a usual ingredient in hummus, but I really like it because it complements the sesame flavor of the tahini and it tastes great. I highly recommend you give it a try. Okay, so what we're also going to do right now is put in some of the other liquid ingredients, like some lemon juice for example. That gives it a bit of a brighter flavor, so I'm going to put in just 3 tablespoons, let's just add one more just for luck, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then I'm going to put the lid back on the blender, get it up, and then blend it up again. So now's a good time to give it a quick taste. It's definitely coming along, but what it definitely needs is some salt, so I'm going to put in my salt. A couple of pinches, not too salty. What I'm also going to add is my sriracha sauce. Now, you don't have to put this in, gives a nice kick of chili. If you want to put some chili powder in, that's just as good. So a quick squirt of that, not too much. Finally, I'm going to add my cumin, which gives it a great spicy, nutty kind of flavor, which is also a typical ingredient in countries where they make hummus as one of their national foods. And then one final blend and we should be about done. So depending on how smooth you like your hummus, you can blend it for a minute, you can blend it for 5 minutes. The longer you blend it, the smoother the result will be. Now some people like it a little bit lumpy, some people like it super smooth. Just choose the consistency that you prefer. Now I'm going to have a quick look in here and you can see that it's a nice smooth looking paste. Looks like that, it's just about ready to eat. To serve it, I make an indentation with my spoon like that. Use some oil, a little bit of sesame seed oil dribbled in there, just a little, and then to top it off, a little bit of smoked paprika on the top. So I've just cut up some red and yellow peppers. They're crisp, they're sweet, they're fresh, and of course they're the perfect accompaniment to scoop up some of this delicious hummus. And it's creamy, it's a little bit salty, it's a little bit nutty, it's a little bit lemony, it's a little bit garlicky. It's the perfect snack. And of course, it's really good for you and it's healthy. So enjoy, have a go at making this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.